So question 51, you're welcome back, says find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 22. So the first thing, what's circumference of a circle? This 2 pi what? R. So 2 pi r. The question asks us to find the radius. We're given the circumference. The circumference is given to be 2. C is 22. So we're looking for what? Radius. So that means 22 equals 2 times, given the value of radius to be 22, or pi to be 22 over 7, times the radius that we're looking for. So for this to be easier, so you can divide numerator when you have equals to sign. When you have equals to sign, this 22 can divide this 22. So in that case, we then have 2r left here. 2 times r equals 7 times 1 give us 7. Divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 3. 2. R then equals to what? 3.5 centimeters. 52. Question 52. Calculate the area of a triangle whose base is 5 and height. This is straightforward. Area is half times base times the height, and that is half times the base. In this case is 5 and the height is what? 2. 2 cancel 2. That is what? 5 centimeters what? Squared. Question 53. 53. So the angle of elevation of the top of a vertical pole. We have a pole here. This is a pole. This horizontal ground. Right? We have the pole here. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole from a point P. We have a point P on the level ground. This point P is 45 degrees. So from this point P, you want to look at the top of the pole here. You have to raise your eyes to 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees, right? If the distance from P to the foot of the pole from here to here is 7 meters, find the height of the pole. So we're looking for the height of the pole, which is this. So in that case, we use SOHCAHTOA. This is the angle given. So this is the opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. That is O and a what? So we're using TOA. So using TOA, this trigonometry. So that means we have tan 45 degrees equals opposite, which is the h we are looking for, divided by the adjacent, which is 7. So, and tan 40 degrees is what? 1 over 1. That is h over what? 7. So h is what? 7 what? Meters. The height of the pole is still what? 7 meters. Question 54 and 55, we're using this diagram to solve it. We have this. So we have another one here, which is this. We have this axe. We also have another one here, which is this axe, right? So we have, this is A, this is R, this is P, this is Q, this is O, and this is what? B. So we have this axe, this another axe here. Now the question is find the size of angle ROQ. ROQ. So we're looking for this now. So the first thing is, this is 180, this is 90, this is 45. So if you remove 45, that is 90 from 180. So this is 90. That means angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees. That's question 54. Question 54. Angle ROQ is 90 degrees. Then calculate angle, the sum of angle AO, angle AOP, and angle QOB. AOP is 90 degrees. We want to get their sum. And angle QOB, which is what? 45 degrees. So that gives us 135 degrees. Option D. Question 56. Find the area of the figure below. So area, this is triangle, and we need to get, this is the base. We know part of the base to be 6. We don't know this side, so we need to get this side, this side. So we make use of this triangle, this right angle triangle here. So in that case, we're going to have, using our Pythagoras rule, that will be, this side will be x. Let's say this is x. That will be x squared equals to 5 squared minus what, 4 squared. So this is 25 minus 16. That is x squared equals what, 9. So x equals what, 3 units. So area will then be half times the base. Now the base will then be 6 plus 3, which is what, 9. Half times 9 times what, 4. The height is 4. 2 here 1, 2 here what, 2. So 9 times 2, that is 18 units. 18 square units. 57. Question 57. Find the value of theta in the diagram below. So here is the diagram. We have theta here. This is 90 degrees. This is 5 centimeters. And this is 2.5 centimeters. So this is, since what we're looking for is this is opposite hypotenuse. So that is opposite hypotenuse adjacent. That is so. So using so that will be sine theta equals opposite 2.5 divided by what, 5. That is sine theta equals to 2.5 here 1. That is what, half. So that is theta equals to sine arc sine 0.5, which is what, when you use your calculator, you get what, 30 degrees. That is 30 degrees. In this question 58, the question asks us to find x. So to find the value of x here, so the first thing we need to do, we can't find it without getting this side here, which is, let's say it is y. So using Pythagoras rule as well, this is right angle triangle, we can have y squared equals to 10 squared minus what, 6 squared. That is 100 minus 36, which gives what, 64. So therefore y equals to square root of 64, which is equal to what, 8. So if this is equal to 8, we can use that to find this. So, and this is hypotenuse here, so that means x squared will then be equals to 15 squared plus 8 squared. So 15 squared is 225 plus 64. So when you add this together, 225 plus 64, you have 9. So 289. So x squared. So x squared equals to 289. And x is equal to square root of 289. That is equal to x equals to what? 17. 17 times 17 gives 2289. So the answer is 17 centimeters. Question 59. The perimeter of a rectangular lawn is 32 centimeters. If the difference between its length and breadth is 2 centimeters, find the area of the lawn. So this will lead to a simultaneous equation. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2 breadth, and it's given to be what? 32. Difference between the length and breadth, which is L minus breadth, equals what? 2. Equation 1, equation 2. So make L the subject of formula in equation 2. So that means L will be equals to 2 plus what? B. 2 plus B. So this will be equation what? 3. So we can then substitute the value of this equation to substitute equation 3 into equation what? Equation 1, because we make equation 3 from equation 2. So that means we're going to have 2 into 2 plus B plus 2B equals to 32. So this gives 4 plus 2B plus 2B equals to 32. And that is 4 plus 4B equals to 32. That is 4B equals to 32 minus 4. That is 4B equals to 28. Divide both sides by 4. Then B equals to what? 7. So since b is equal to 7, then length will be equal to 2 plus 7. B is equal to what? 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters. So the question asks us to find the area of the lawn. So, and the area of the lawn is what? Length times what? Breadth, which is 7 multiplied by 9. That is equal to what? 63 centimeters squared. So it remains. So in this question, so we have in the figure below, lines AB, this line and CD are parallel. As you can see on the lines, they are parallel. So which of the following is not true? We have A is equal to B, we have A is equal to C, we also have B is equal to C, B is equal to D, and the last one, D plus A equals to 180 degrees. So let's look at the one that is not true. So A equals to B, A equals to B, that is alternate angles. So that one is correct. This is correct. A is equal to C, that is vertically opposite. This is also correct. B is equal to C, that is corresponding angles. So this angle and this angle are corresponding. This is also correct. Then B is equal to D, that is not correct. Then D plus A, angles on a straight line, gives what? 180. This is also correct. So the answer is this, that is option D. So this is the end of this paper 1. So in this next video we'll start with paper 2. So if you find this video useful and helpful, kindly don't forget to give us a big, very big thumb up and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on invaluable videos that we're going to be releasing soon. So that is the end. Thank you for your attention and I wish you best of luck in exams. Bye for now, and we'll meet in the next video.